Welcome back. I just returned from the garden center and I found this on my doorstep. It looks like somebody sent me a cheesecake. I didn't even know that was a thing. Oh my goodness. It says the world's most fabulous cheesecake. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. Ooh, has some stickers. It says, gold belly, be happy. Definitely happy. Who couldn't be happy with cheesecake? And it says, travel with your gold belly taste buds. Oh my goodness. Gold belly food love. And it says here, at Gold Belly, we believe in emotional power of food. Ooh. I believe in the emotional power of food. Yes. For many of us, food is a language of love. Oh, for sure. It's more than just nourishment. It's memories, it's connection, and it's comfort. We understand how truly important our mission is. We are here to bring a smile to people's faces, an edible hug, and a connection to a loved one, even though you may not be with them. A moment of nostalgic comfort, a craving from a beloved food memory. Wow, I do love cheesecake. We believe that food brings people together, so we've created a place that connects people with their greatest food memories, experiences, and desires. We've built a platform that empowers small shops, chefs, and restaurants and inspires their passion. Our mission is to bring you comfort through food, whatever you dream of, wherever you are. Wow, that's from a message from Joe Ariel, the founder and CEO of Gold Belly. That is super cool. Well, let's check it out. Junior's, the world's most famous fabulous cheesecake. Oh my goodness. It's nice and cold. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Brooklyn, New York, Junior's Cheesecake. Oh my goodness. And it's a mini sampler. Wow. I'm gonna get to travel to New York without going to New York. Oh, wow. Look at this. That's beautiful. There's 2 trays. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I love cheesecake. Wow. So this is Junior's Cheesecake and Desserts, Junior's 18 favorite mini sampler. So there's 6 pieces of devil's food cheesecake, 6 pieces of red velvet cheesecake, and 6 pieces of raspberry swirl cheesecake. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is cool. Thank you. I'm gonna put it in the fridge. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo. Cheesecake. Cheesecake. Oops, it's upside down. Cheesecake. Nice.